Hi, my name's Saeed Rashid and I'm here with my colleague Alex Tattersall at Murex Bangka, and we've been running a photography workshop.
We have a group of fabulous photographers and we're teaching mainly wide angle in this section of the workshop.
Stay ready, it stays exact.
Boat, you don't have to take it off the boat. And as you get closer and closer to super macro,
Kind of need to be a bit careful.
So we're visiting some of the most amazing sites you can see over here. The corals are so healthy, the fish life is amazing. It's just one of the most beautiful places in the world to come to for this kind of thing.
And it's been absolutely epic. Today I went to the Japanese jetty, beautiful sea fans underneath the jetty, and then we've just dived Sahau, and it's probably the best, the most fishy dive I have ever seen in my entire life.
Hi, Amar.
Hello.
Very nice.
I know we should rent. I wouldn't think so sometimes.
Tomorrow we go to Lembeh to go and find the weird and the wonderful, and we cannot wait to see what awaits us there.
We're delighted to be at Murex and just probably never want to leave really.